guys, this is Andrea from Spreadsheetables, and today I want to show you how to find and fix some hidden errors in Google Sheets. So you are working with a table, with a very extensive table, right? So here we have the total sales on column A, and if you scroll down, you will see that it goes all the way to line 512. But as far as we know, we could have 10,000 plus rows in Google Sheets with data. So for right now, I know everything from on column A is number except A1. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna sum. So equal sum, I want to know what's the total sales from here. So I'm going to do this and then shift control and then arrow down, and then I'm just gonna hit enter. So here it picked up all my rows in column A starting from A2. But then there's a problem. We got an error here. And why? So if you scroll down, you will see that there is an error here, right? And let's say you fix this error, you found it and you fix it, and then you're like, great, oh my gosh, there is still an error here. So you could scroll down to try to find each one manually, but I mean, if you have 10,000 rows, that's not really productive. So what you can do, if you don't need to fix the rows, right, there are with the error, sometimes some of your calculations might return an error, but it doesn't really matter, right? So you just want to sum what is not an error. So what you can do here, you're just gonna stack the if error function out inside of the sum. So click here. So let's start over. So sum, and then you put if error, and then you are going to select your ranges again all the way down. Was that 512? And then you're gonna click put comma and then 0. Why the 0 will come back at if there's an error, what that does is if there's an error, it's gonna come back as a 0. So that way it basically will skip the error and continue counting, but it's not gonna add anything to your formula. So just hit enter, and now you have the total sum of your sales. Now let's say you do want to find the errors in that. So what you can do, if you don't, you can either filter, click here and then click filter, and you can look for the error. So you can clear, look for this, and you can just pull whatever is has the error. Or another way is to if you don't want to do it that way, you don't want to, let's say you don't want to mess with your table, right? You want that the data to remain wherever it is. And you're afraid you're gonna break your whole entire database, right? You have other things in there. So what you can do, alright, so the quickest way for you to do that would be to you select all the range that you want to apply the conditional formatting, and then go to format, conditional formatting, and then you're going to select here a custom formula is, and then you're going to click you're going to type equal is error and then A2. Now I entered A2 because that's my first top left cell with data, right, that I want to do. If your cell starts over here, then it would be like C6, right? So this will be the top left one, and then you just click OK, and you can close this, and then when you scroll down, you can see everybody that has you know, the arrow will be highlighted. So, and then you can come over here and you can either fix here, and again you can just come here, create a filter, and then you can now sort by color, and you can select all the green ones, and now you can fix this. And then you change here, change here, change here. And now if we were to use the sum, just normal sum, right? Oh my goodness. Now it will work because there is no error in there. So hope that was helpful. Let me know if you liked it. Thank you.